Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, USB adapter. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.